Okay, this morning I'm going to run through a series of solving equations involving negatives. These are using your integer skills. So the basic steps are drop the t, add the inverse to both sides, and then check. So here's what they mean. So here's the initial problem. We're trying to find out what p means. That's a variable. We're going to add the opposite to get that equal to 0. That really cancels out. And if I do it to this side, I'm going to do it to that side. This is where you have to be careful. That's 11 plus a negative 19, which means 19 minus 11, that's an 8, but it's a negative 8 because that's the larger absolute value. Okay, drop the t, look for the variable, add the opposite because a positive 16 plus a negative 16 equals 0. I'm left with the variable. So I'm going to add the opposite, plus negative 16. So that's a positive plus a negative. 16 minus 1 is 15, but it is a negative. Okay, drop the t, look for the variable, add the opposite there. That cancels that out. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. A is equal to 8 plus negative 17. That's a negative plus a positive. It's equal to 9, but larger absolute value is a negative. So we drop the t and we add the inverse. Checking what we're doing when we solve an equation is we're finding what would make this statement true. So when I put in negative 8 here, negative 8 plus 19 should equal 11, or this side, and it does, 19 minus 8. When I put in negative 15 here and I combine it with 16, I get 1. When I put in negative 9 for A, negative 9 plus 17 equals 8. So I'm checking that. Some teachers will actually have you put that in and do the math and go like that. That's checking. Okay, so that is problem set 61002